Go, go. Hey guys, good morning. It is it's Memorial Day, and we should think about, I would assume most people that see this, they're in America. We should think about the sacrifices made, what this day represents, all the soldiers who lost their lives, for the past 250 years, or give or take. But anyway, so yeah, remember the day, remember why we have this day. But today, I'm out at the local junkyard. They're having their usual $75 day. They do it twice a year. The clip you just saw was with some people. I guess it looked like a father and son that were trying to, they got across that line with a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure what they had, but anyway. So $75 day. It's time to rack up and just really stock up on as much as I possibly can. Yesterday at the lake, you can't even see this, but it's a whole lot of scribbling of things to check out. I've actually already hit up one car, Silverado, looking for a center console for my wife, and now behind me is a RAV4, and it's got a good airbag in it. So I'm gonna pull that out. I've shown you that before. All it takes is a Torx bit. I think it's a T25. It might be a T30. And that's it. Like, two on the sides, pull them out. It's really quite simple. Toyota steering wheels as a whole are very simple. The Torx, and then the 19 millimeter nut in the center. That's it. But anyway, I've got a lot of cars to check out today. Again, I'm trying to maximize my $75. My goal today is to take a ton, to buy a ton of relays. I hope I can find some more airbags and stuff. That'd be great. I mean, just to load up on as much as I possibly can, and drive each price down lower and lower, maximizing profits. That's what we're here for, right? And to play with cars, because it is fun being out here. I'm getting exercise. I'm looking at these old cars. I enjoy it. So anyway, I'll show you guys some stuff as we go. I'm gonna get to this this airbag here. See you guys in a minute. All right, so I kind of forgot about this section down here. All the classic stuff, like 60s, 70s, or earlier, they dump down here. Old Jeep over there. Got some Jeep trucks, International Scout, possibly a hearse, different stuff. So I'm gonna go check that out. All right, guys. So one of the cars, I don't know what this is as far as the make and model. Let me see if I can. I don't know. That's interesting. The wiper, wash button, very cool. I don't know what this is, except I kind of know what this is. And the reason I say I kind of know what it is, neat little scoop there, is I think this is an old hearse. Yeah, it's definitely. Actually, I'm looking at it again. I mean, it's got the rollers here, got rollers there. It's not moving. Yeah, this is an old hearse. Creepy. Now, I opened up that door over there a minute ago and walk over there and show one quick thing on it, which I kind of find interesting, and that is this switch here, which says heater. You got dome light, which I understand the dome light, but what do you need a heater for? They're already gone, man. Like, they're done. Not to be in politic here, but I don't think you need a heater. Anyway, pretty cool. Look at these old things. You got a midget over there. Not Batman, he's not a midget. The car. Got some cool stuff. So anyway, my car's way up there. Yeah, so more rain walking. All right, so here's this Ultima I just came across. And what caught my eye really was this. It's got aftermarket springs on there, and I don't think I can get, well, I cannot get back here. Actually, I don't see springs back here. It's torn the hell up though. But I think it's from this. I mean, just looking at what we got here, it'd be really cool to pull those off, but I mean, well, we're missing one, so I think it's a moot point at this point. But anyway, pretty neat. So you find these aftermarket parts on cars sometimes, and I have sold some in the past. So yeah, all right. Oh man, you guys, you never really see Audi TTs in the junkyard. Cool little cars. I thought they looked really good. This one looks pretty rough on the inside. Then holy hell, what the hell is this? Jesus Christ. Someone spent too much time at Home Depot. Oh Lord. Yep. I've been getting some parts here and there. I've not filmed much. Something tells me that it's not, but okay. I've not filmed much. It is raining. It was fun for a bit, and now we're hitting that point where this bag is getting heavy. I'm not finding any of the big stuff that I was hoping to come across, so it's just kind of disappointing. But that's part of this whole junkyard deal, is you don't know what you're going to find. Sorry, I had to set the stuff down. You don't know what you're going to find. So, and there's stuff so far. Steering wheel, 2 airbags, a bunch of relays, some of the Eclipse, oh hell, some of the Eclipse vents, air vents. Oh. And yeah, so hey, old CRX. You know, when I was getting into cars in the late 90s, this was such a cool car. I mean, it still is, but they're so lightweight. That's a nice feature. Just a nice little piece there. Super lightweight. It's a Civic, so engine swaps galore, and you know, so many parts are available that looked different. A little hatch. Well, this is cool. Very cool. But anyway, I'm gonna keep walking. Hope to find something cool in all of this. So yeah, if I do, I'll let you know. If not, I'll just touch base at the end with what all I picked up, and we'll see how this all works out. By the way, carrying a bag really does suck. Oh, it's getting heavy. And it just digs into your fingers. All right, catch up in a moment. All right, guys, I am home, and here is what I got. Again, I did not show removal of the steering wheel because you've seen it before. This one, rougher than I really want. You see here, it's really more of a recovering special, and I'll sell it for pretty cheap. I got the airbag that went with it. Sorry, this is the airbag out of the RAV4. I got 5 of the Eclipse vents. I got a Miata valve cover. I got an old Cadillac valve cover. I'm actually about to hit with the pressure washer. These came out of the valve cover, the Mazda one. This little SD card, Nissan map data. I'm kind of curious if I can just rewrite it. A couple old Nissan Datsun oil caps. Found a gift card for Walmart. Not sure if it's active or not. We'll check. Nice little stubby Phillips, and then a lot of relays. So, oh, and I found these little pieces of sheet metal. There's 4 of them total. I found those and decided just to grab those while I was there, because why not? So anyway, there's my haul for $75. You know, if I can sell this for $40, $50, $45, that gets me most of my money back. We talked about these before. I think it was $7 each. I think it was $7 each for those. So I mean, really quickly, if I can just sell this for 45 and all those sold, my the rest of the stuff is paid for. But the other airbag will be helpful with other steering wheels I have. And again, these I'm selling for $3 a piece, except for like this one here, this old Datsun one. These are $5, these old Nissan Datsun ones. So yeah, we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Okay, last little bit. This gift card that I found, I did just check it. The balance is almost $18. So if we take off $18 from the 75, well, it works out pretty good in my favor. So anyway, that's pretty cool. Whenever you're in a junk car, I always look for these things. I found multiple gift cards that were still valid. You find money sometimes. I mean, pennies are all over the place, but nickels, dimes, quarters, sometimes dollar bills. Check. You're already in there. Just look around. So yeah, almost $18. I can buy something. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Y'all take care.